Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable email notifications for partner product news on Twitter using your PC. In this guide, we will walk you through the simple steps to ensure you stay informed about the latest updates and news related to Twitter's partner products and third-party services. Let's get started. Steps 1. Click on your profile image located at the top right corner of the screen to access your account settings. 2. Select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu that appears after clicking on your profile image. 3. Within the Settings menu, navigate to the Email Notifications section to manage your email preferences. 4. In the Updates from Twitter category, make sure to check the box next to News about Twitter on partner products and other third-party services to receive relevant notifications. 5. Once you have selected this option, remember to save your changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled email notifications for partner product news on Twitter. By following these straightforward steps, you can now stay up to date with important information regarding Twitter's partner products and third-party services directly in your email inbox. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Stay connected, stay informed, and make the most out of your Twitter experience.